you're watching Respos. This is Sudisha Sinha, and this is not going to be any other detail giving video. I have my friends here with me. It's going to be a fun chat session, something different for you guys. And as we all know that the ICC T20 Women's World Cup is going on, there has been a lot of buzz about it. And today I am going to talk about the same thing to my friends. Because according to my analogy, the fan base of women's cricket is increasing day by day, and I wanted to know what my friends think about it. So first of all, I'll just introduce everyone here. Right there we have Krishnay, Meher, Abhikalp, Shiv and Shanay there. So pehle I'm going to ask you a very generic question which is going to be for everyone. How much do you follow women's cricket? And are you someone who thinks कि हमारी छोरियाँ छोरों से कम नहीं है?
Definitely. I think over the past years, I've started following even more. And particularly, when India won the World Cup in India last year, that was a moment where we were there in the stadium. So that felt like, it felt very close to your heart because definitely in every sports, women are more dominating. So now cricket is also catching up and that is great to see.
I mean, definitely. I mean, I'm relatively newer to this, so I've been following men's cricket a lot पहले, but जब से ये फील्ड में आई है, women's cricket चालू हुआ है, तब से I feel कि यार छोरों से कम नहीं है, definitely.
So I've been following the game for about as long as I've lived. Men's cricket, women's cricket, both of it. I feel like our women's team is catching up to the men's team in a lot of ways. It's not just the fact that we're winning trophies in India, as Meher very rightfully said. It is also the fact that we are building a team that is about as competent as our men's team, if not better. The attack, the batting lineup, everything is set. I feel like if we can win the T20 World Cup this year, if there is a women's WTC, we will probably win that too. But हमारी छोरियाँ छोरों से कम है ही नहीं और थे भी नहीं कभी.
I think definitely I believe that again. General consensus at this point of time that हमारी छोरियाँ छोरों से कम नहीं है. I have been following women's cricket. I think I started in 2022 when we lost to England, and I think in that sense the fact that we lost to the same team in a span of 8 years shows कि हमारी छोरियाँ छोरों से कम नहीं है. But jokes aside, beyond that as well, seeing as to how our team has won the World Cup last year itself in India, as was rightfully pointed out. And the fact that there has been a WPL that has been started in India and it is successful to an extent, it does show in a very commercial sense as well that हमारी छोरियाँ छोरों से कम नहीं है and women's cricket is growing in India.
So hello, first of all, I think the question is not very reflective because women's cricket existed for a long period of time and we are just witnessing its emergence now. बट जैसे दंगल में एक डायलॉग था कि हमारी छोरियाँ छोरों से कम है, ये बहुत पेट्रियार्क माइंडसेट बन चुका है. जैसे कि आईपीएल और डब्ल्यूपीएल के बीच में भी जो डिस्क्रिमिनेशन होती है, दैट शोज़ कि हम बाहर से तो विमेंस क्रिकेट को फॉलो कर रहे हैं, पर आर वी रियली प्रेजिंग इट एंड अप्रिशिएटिंग इट लाइक मेंस fan base. So and I love women's cricket. I am following the T20 World Cup too.
And that was going to be my next question, Abhikal. Thank you so much. I wanted to ask everybody, how much do you follow the Women's Premier League? How do you think the fan base of IPL and WPL is different? Why do you think that is there? Which is your favorite team and which is your favorite player?
Yeah. So you are talking about the difference between men's and
WPL and IPL.
WPL and IPL. बचपन से मैंने IPL बहुत देखा, अभी भी देखता हूँ, men's IPL. But with the introduction of women's IPL, it intrigues me more than men's IPL because there's lack of support from audience to women's IPL, women's Premier League. And वो ऐसा लगता है कि वो सिर्फ नाम के लिए बना दिया है. अभी IPL को देखने के बाद WPL नाम के लिए बना दिया है और 100 रुपए की टिकट बिक रही है, वो भी फुल नहीं जा रही है बहुत जगहों पे. तो हमको और सपोर्ट करना चाहिए. एंड माय फेवरेट प्लेयर इज स्मृति मंदाना एंड लॉरेन बेल. And my favorite team is Mumbai Indians always.
Mumbai Indians, yes.
Harmanpreet Kaur.
Yes, I definitely do watch Women's Premier League, and as much as it hurts me to say, RCB has won twice. We need to do better, unfortunately enough. And again, I think I will have a very unpopular opinion here. I like Mithali Raj better than Smriti Mandana, and again and again Harmanpreet Kaur as well. So yeah, again, as he rightfully pointed out, sometimes it just feels like they have just popped it out of nowhere because nahi hai. But I think one place I would disagree is after we won the 2025 World Cup in India, I think there has been a massive surge comparatively as to how it used to be earlier. Like I remember entire seeing posts on Reddit where the entire stadium was virtually empty. But right now, at least you have not a crowd, not the entire barrage of people coming in, but you have a much more increase in the number of tickets that are being sold. So I think it's definitely on a steady rise, and I hope that it rises as much as men's cricket.
I'm going to say this, all jokes aside, we clown on Jaisha a lot, but the fact is that Jaisha has done a lot for the women's game, especially not just with the World Cup, but with organizing the WPL. Internationally, there are a lot of women's cricket leagues. Why? Because the country's cricket board gives support. The fact that the BCCI is giving more support to women's league, where there is good pay for women who play the sport, is important. So all jokes aside, that man has popularized women's cricket in India to a very high level. It is not it's not a contrarian opinion, but RCB winning 2 times is good.
It is bad.
It is good.
It is bad for women.
It is not bad for the future of cricket, but I am, as you can see, a RCB supporter. One of my favorite players is.
So that is, wait, you are an RCB supporter.
RCB.
I am MI, you are MI.
To RCB.
RCB.
To RCB.
I'm going to go completely against the wave and go to Delhi.
Delhi. Wow. And you?
Unfortunately,
RCB. Acha, MI. हाँ, Okay.
Guys, I think let's get back to track.
Rajasthan Royals, but they don't have a team.
ठीक है.
Let's get back on track. Let's get back to track.
Coming back, they will just maybe beat each other up. Let's just not go over there. What do you think about the increasing fan base of? They'll answer the next. अभी बोलेंगे. So what do you think about increasing women's cricket fan base? What is your personal opinion about it? And how do you think, why is it happening right now? Why not years back? Why right now?
I think when I started watching women's cricket, my whole purpose was starting to watch was that there was a headline that Ellis Perry ने गाड़ी का कांच तोड़ दिया. Okay, when she hit a 6, and that was the whole reason why I started watching WPL. And that headline kind of changed WPL because उसके बाद RCB की किस्मत खुल गई, and after that a lot of people started watching it, and then this 18 and 18 का comparison started happening, Virat and Smriti, and people started connecting कि अरे हाँ हमारी women's team भी है, and अरे हाँ they are also doing great. And as many people said, it might have started as a token representation wala thing, but it is not a token representation anymore, and it is the fully fledged, like completely stadium filling thing. I admit कि वानखेड़े जैसा stadium अभी शायद नहीं भर पाएगा, but नवी मुंबई का stadium हम आराम से भर देंगे.
Perfect. बोलो कृष्णा. You're not gonna speak?
I think कि IPL का craze पहले से इतना ज़्यादा है ना. अरे है आवाज़ आएगा. IPL का क्रेज पहले से इतना ज़्यादा है, अभी WPL स्टार्ट हुआ है, तो it will take some time, but eventually I think we'll get there.
Okay, guys, any opinions? No opinions?
My second favorite team is Delhi Capitals also.
Delhi Capitals, right?
And I really root for them to win at least for one time.
Okay.
Because no, only women's.
Okay, so
women's
have you guys watched the India versus South Africa match जो अभी हुआ था? How heartbroken were you guys?
Very. All I'm saying is 24 में West Indies को हराया. We beat them in the West Indies. We beat them in Mumbai again. No, they beat us in Mumbai twice now. We lost in the men's T20 and we also lost in the women's T20. It's really disappointing. The pitch did not give enough to our players. The pitch did not give enough to theirs either. But the issue is, it's not just the pitch. It's also when you ride a wave, sometimes you are going to encounter as well. It happens, but we can get over it.
Yes. So guys, we are here. Does anyone else want to speak? No? Okay. So by coming to the end of the video, last question to you guys. What is your approach towards World Cup? Give me a prediction. Which team? Okay, it's okay if you don't want to say India, don't say India. Just give a prediction, say one word, and we're going to conclude the video. Every one of you. Chalo, start.
Australia.
I will say England tabletop, second India, third South Africa, fourth Australia, but South Africa will win.
I feel like it's either going to be Cricket Australia or the England Cricket Board taking the title, but that's just because they play more cricket regularly. And yeah,
I think South Africa. I'm being very honest, but I think South Africa.
I'm still going to say India, and
I'm also going to say
and
India.
Smriti as the player of the match.
Exactly. Even I'm going to say that.
We all really like it.
Yeah.
But I think I'd really like Smriti to be
Guys,
player of the match.
okay, on that note, keep watching Ref Sports. This was Sudisha Sinha, and like, share and subscribe. Remember that Ref Sports is covering the whole World Cup tour from England. There is Boria Majumdar, there is Trisha Ghoshal, there is Snehashish Mukherjee, who are going to cover each and every detail for you. Thank you, like, share and subscribe.
Thank you.